Hey folks, got my Spectrum Stratocaster pawn shop find. Got the Wilkinson vintage voice Alnico 5 single coil pickups with the reverse wound middle pickup, and full size metric pots. This is the Musiclily Pro 54mm tremolo set with the full size block. You know, big block, not that skinny little thing that came on this, and its wires and things like that. And nice block saddles, they look good. Pop in tremolo arm. It's in there too. That's awesome. Huh. It's easier. You don't have to work too hard. Actually, working hard made it harder. Huh. That's pretty cool. Anyway, hadn't tried to pull it in and out yet, but it's nice and stiff. It don't have all that play as much as, like I did with the screw-in type, and then it goes all the way around as much as you want. But yeah, these things sound pretty good. I'm not really much of a guitar player, but I can make some noises for you. Alright, let's see. Hope I didn't have headphones in. I was all the way up. I was tuning it to the amp. First position. Second position. Trying to get some of that quack for you. Third middle position. Fourth position. That's the middle and the neck. And finally, the fifth position, neck. Sounds pretty good, if you ask me. But yeah, I'm really digging it. I got the Musiclily 11-hole 3-ply ivory pickguard SSS, and the Musiclily bone nut. Nice, well shaped. I shaped it after, it's pre-slotted, but I made it nice and pretty on the sides and centered it. Oh yeah, and that what do you call that thing? String tree. I took the other string tree out and plugged the hole, and the logo rubbed off. You might be able to see it, but it rubbed off with lemon oil. It's just a screen printed on there. But funny thing is, this thing came with these oval button tuners, and I recently bought 2 sets of oval button tuners because I like them so much. And this one came with them. Thanks for listening, and hope you enjoyed it. Wilkinson.